How to change app icons on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change app icons on your Android device. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your settings menu. And from your settings, go ahead and find themes. Tap on that and it will open up all of the themes for you. And all you have to do now is find the option for icons. So at the bottom, you can find themes, wallpaper, and icons. Tap on that, then find the icon that you want to set up. So some of this is paid, and if you want to find the free ones, go to top, and you'll find all of the free icon packs here. I'll just go ahead and select this really minimalist one. Tap on it, then tap on download. And once you've downloaded the icon pack, you can just tap on apply. It's applying all of these icon packs to available apps. And as you can see, my camera, settings, phone, gallery, and all of these basics apps have changed its icons. So that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.